is a collection of die-cut cards. This happens to be the Side Stepper card blanks. Now you're going to get 5 cards, 5 envelopes, and they're going to come like this. They're already scored and they're ready for you to simply fold. That's all you'll have to do. Now I went ahead and folded this one, and as you can see, that center fold, that center one, you're going to fold down. And in fact, let me just do that. And you're going to do with the others, let me start from the narrow end, and just go accordion fold. So go down, then go up. So you're doing valley, mountain, valley, mountain. And it's just this easy. And it's really, really nice because you will have the envelopes to coordinate with it. And this card ends up becoming, now you will want to use a bone folder to really hold these down because these are very firm. Let's see. Okay, I should have done the other way. Pardon me while I fix this. Okay, here we go. Now, so you do, that way, this one I just folded, but this one I used a bone folder, so it will help it stand up straight, which is really nice. And this is going to measure 5 3/4 by 8 1/2, so it's a really significant presence. If you wanted to, you could certainly trim it off if you wanted to, but you know, why not have it like this? Again, you're going to get 5 cards, 5 envelopes in one package, and they are just really, really fun to do. It gives you lots of room for creativity.